In Huanping County, southwest China's Guizhou province, this region is once dependent on local traditional agriculture. In recent years, through developing the paragliding industry, Huanping County has promoted the integration of low-altitude economy and cultural tourism. Thanks to its unique geographical advantages and well-established airport facilities, Huanping has become a hub for paragliding.
觉得这项运动能给大家带来更多的快乐，而不是风险，所以我才决定来从事这个行业吧。所以从19年开始，然后自己一点一点的把这个基地做起来。我觉得大家对自然更向往，所以我也觉得未来可观。
因为我个人性格就比较外向啊，然后比较喜欢这些户外运动，平时也喜欢爬山呀，和朋友出去野炊，然后非常想挑战那种极限运动嘛，所以就刚好我就住在这附近，然后也很近，所以就想着过来尝试一下，试试。
We are about to take off. Let's experience the speed and excitement of paramotor together. As you can see, the paramotor we are riding is very different from traditional unpowered paragliding. It has a power system and combined a racing car frame with a wing-shaped parachute. It flies smoothly and stable in the air.
通过我们的滑翔伞的话，其实我们可以飞在空中，从3维视角就俯瞰这片大地，一片金黄，非常漂亮。我们也诚邀广大朋友嘛，到黄平旧州来。 然后坐上我们的滑翔伞，俯瞰我们金灿灿的油菜花。